Either way.
I'm trying to get in this without any life jacket. And so far,
You can hear the thunder. Thunder.
we could,
Plants. Stuff.
I'm getting all wet.
Yeah. Lovely, isn't it? Whoa.
Try to not get on the iPad.
Oh, of course I won't, sweetie. But look at it. It's just like raining. It's so cool. It's random little stuff.
These is not. Then I'll get
It's like
the camera.
right here. Yeah.
The iPhone will get on
It's basically raining.
Yeah,
So cold. Like, it's a summer, so it's really surprising that it's raining.
Yeah, so surprisingly.
Anyways, here's my sister. Say hi.
Hi, I'm in the rain.
She's hyper.
I'm in the rain.
Okay, shh. Let's just be quiet and watch the rain. It's so cool if you guys can see.
Yeah.
I hope you guys can hear me, though. Sorry if you guys can't.
Yeah. This is just a relaxing sound you could hear.
Like, if you zoom up, you can see stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is like basically a 1 hour show of just rain. So enjoy it. Hopefully it doesn't stop.
We're gonna stay here until it stops.
Yeah.
So it must be 1 hour. I think.
If you look like carefully, you guys can see it. It's so cool. How if you guys can see those, it's just so cool. And these all happen from the clouds, which eventually gets a lot of rain, and it's like sprinkling everywhere. Like
Yeah,
it's so cool.
We can.
Yeah, it's really cool. You guys
We
can.
just need to snuggle in.
Yep, snuggling in.
Sorry.
Yep, very snuggling in. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now we're gonna stay quiet.
Yeah. You want to watch me?
Okay, yeah, sure, you can
Actually
go.
trying to go in the rain without
And
getting
then, like,
wet.
you can see some thunder stuff. We're gonna try to go over. We're probably getting camera wet. I hope we're not, though.
No, no,
But
no.
no, when it got, don't be scared. Okay, see, look.
Yeah.
Rain.